Well, hello there, guys, and happy Valentine's Day. Mason is here with me, and we are going to make something very special for you. Do you remember what we're going to make, Mason?
Lava cake?
We are making chocolate molten lava cake. This is the perfect dessert or special treat to give to someone that you love for Valentine's Day. This lava cake is so good. It is rich. It is chocolatey. It is ooey gooey delicious. Are you excited to make these?
Yeah.
I know that you're going to love them, and this is so much fun to make. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make these lava cakes. Chocolate molten lava cakes. You ready, Mason?
Yeah.
Okay. You will need 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs, and then 3.5 ounces of a dark chocolate. Now this is 70% chocolate. You can go even darker if you want and do 90%, but I like to do a little bit of a semi-sweet. And then you will need 1 stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you will need a pinch of salt. All right, Mason, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to melt our butter and our chocolate in a bowl. Now, I'm going to put this in the microwave. You can do this on the stove if you want in a double broiler, but I'm going to put mine in the microwave. Just be careful if you do it in the microwave. You don't want to overcook it and burn your chocolate. If you do it like every 30 seconds, you should be fine. We'll stir after every 30 seconds. All right.
Hey, this paper looks like
It's
Willy
just
Wonka.
It looks like Willy Wonka. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just break it into pieces and put it in here with the butter. You want to stir it? So this chocolate has been in the microwave for 1 minute. The butter's melted. We're going to stir it very carefully until that chocolate is completely melted in that butter. Just very slowly and carefully stir that chocolate in that butter. Make sure it's all melted. All right, Mason, I think we've got the chocolate stirred good. It's all nice and melted. No, you cannot lick the spoon. Not right now. Not yet, because we're not done with it. We're not done with it. We are going to combine the eggs and the sugar. So dump those eggs in this bowl.
Oh, that's
Just one. Ooh, get one at a time. Now get those. Okay, now dump the sugar. Now we're going to mix this until it gets to be a light pale yellow color. Whoa, that was fast. Wow, look at you go. You're doing good, Mason. Does it look like it's changing color, Mason? It's getting light. It's getting a light yellow and it's getting fluffy. But you did awesome. And I'm going to pour this chocolate and you stir very slowly as I pour this chocolate, okay? Keep stirring.
It looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
I really did do good.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let me
It's getting
scrape
hard.
down the sides like this.
It's getting hard.
Here we go.
The chocolate's getting hard.
All right, Mason. So do you think we've got all of it mixed together?
Yeah.
All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the vanilla extract. Add that. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and add the flour and the cocoa and the pinch of salt. No. One at a time. We got a dog barking in the background. Okay, you go ahead and dump the cocoa. There you go.
Can I mix now?
Yep, and I'm going to give a pinch of salt. Got our batter all mixed up really good. And so now what we're going to do, Mason, is we've got these little ramekins. And this is what we're going to put our batter in to bake them. But the first thing that we're going to do,
Put butter in it.
we're going to spread some butter and then we're going to sprinkle some cocoa powder so that they don't stick, okay? And you just brush, you don't need a whole lot of butter, just a little bit. Spreading this cocoa powder all around the edges. Okay. So our ramekins are all buttered and dusted with cocoa. Now I've got this large scoop here. So what I'm going to do, Mason, is I'm going to take a scoop, 1 scoop, and I'm going to drop it into this cake. I'm going to drop it into this ramekin. I just said cake. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Squeeze.
Good job. Look at that one, was like almost perfect. See, and I'm kind of jiggling them to get them in there good. All right, so all of these ramekins are filled with the batter. Now we're going to put these in a 425-degree oven for 10 minutes. And what's going to happen is the outside of this is going to get a nice cake. It'll be like a cake, and the center is still going to be ooey and gooey chocolatey. And then whenever you turn it over, you'll cut into it, and some of that chocolate will just ooze out like lava. You ready? Yeah. Put these in the oven. All right, so these came out of the oven, and I let them cool for 10 minutes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this knife, and we're going to go around the edges, loosen them up, and then we're going to flip them onto a plate. Okay? You got to do it like this. This is nerve-wracking. Let's see how this goes. You ready? Mm-hmm. Honey, so lift it up. We'll lift it up really carefully. Ta-da! I'm getting ready to turn mine over. We had success though on yours, so let's see if we can do mine. Loosening it up. Put the plate on it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah.
La la.
That's so cool.
Yeah. And we'll sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. Make it look pretty. Check this out. Is I'm going to cut this strawberry like this. And then I'm going to fan it out. This is what's going, it makes our plate look so pretty. Just like that. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna just open yours and let that lava flow. So you want to break into your cake very, like just a little bit, and let that, see if the lava will flow. You see that?
Whoa.
Look at that. Okay, you want some ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's put some ice cream down on yours. Yum. All right, there's you some ice cream. I'm gonna get some ice cream. See what you think. Mm-hmm. What do you think of that? Chocolate molten lava cake. We want to say Happy Valentine's Day. And thank you all so much for watching.
Bye.
Have a wonderful day, and God bless. And I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.